Dear students, we are celebrating our second anniversary of Conceptual Orthopedics, and this is a celebration of all of us together, students as well as educator. And since our motto is learning never ends, I think what we have done in last 2 years, uh, what feedback we get from you is been a success, and let us carry on with this motto that learning never ends, neither for you nor for us. And the only way it work, only way this goal will work, if you try to participate more and stimulate us more to study more and come back to you and interact with you more and more. Ultimately, our aim is starting from very basic aim of for you to pass your exam. The next aim is for you to practice ethical practice in orthopedics, which is evidence based. And the third aim, which is probably the ultimate aim of all of us, to be, which is you also and we are also gaining, to be happy, ethical, good human being. And that both of us will achieve this with continuing in this path. So I congratulate all of you also for this second anniversary of Conceptual Orthopedics, and those who have joined our app, welcome for it. And your participation is very important and stimulate us to keep working towards a betterment of the app every year and every day. Thank you very much.